Sell fast, stress less. Are you a homeowner in California looking to sell your property quickly and without the hassle of repairs? Nanda Realty is here to make the process seamless and stress-free. We specialize in purchasing homes as is, which means you won't need to invest time or money into unnecessary repairs before selling. Our team is committed to offering a straightforward solution that allows you to move on to your next chapter without the traditional real estate headaches. At Nanda Realty, we pride ourselves on providing an efficient, all-cash buying service. By choosing us, you can avoid the typical agent fees and time-consuming negotiations associated with traditional home sales. Our process is designed to be as convenient as possible, allowing you to sell your home without the added stress of staging or prolonged waiting periods. We understand the California housing market and are prepared to offer competitive cash offers for your property. One of the standout features of working with Nanda Realty is our ability to close deals in as little as 10 days. This rapid turnaround time is ideal for homeowners who need to sell quickly due to relocation, financial changes, or other personal circumstances. By eliminating the need for repairs and agent fees, we ensure that you keep more of the sale proceeds in your pocket, making the transition smoother and more financially beneficial. Don't let the burden of repairs or lengthy sales processes hold you back from selling your California home. Contact Nanda Realty today at 61980 Nanda or visit nandarealty.com to learn more about our stress-free, all-cash home buying service. Let us handle the details so you can focus on your future. Our professional team is ready to assist you in achieving a quick and profitable home sale, tailored to your unique needs.